We got interesting thing going on with Beyond Meat. As we discussed, guys, we need to see a breakout before the end of this week. And today we have a really good active market. And Beyond Meat currently right now it is on the green side, I think. So we have to discuss if we're gonna have a squeeze for it for this month or not, because now it is on the $1, guys, on the $1 level. So it's around the psychological level. So before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes. So you see here Beyond Meat pulled back on the market open. And again, we got a consolidation zone here. You see what's going on? Consolidation zone here over the 95, which is the breakout zone that happened on Wednesday, last Wednesday. And this accumulation zone lasted just for 3 days. Now we need to hold again over the 95, and if we did the new high over the 108 at least would be a good indicator, at least for the next week. On Monday maybe we have some news will come up like after the market close, and this will give us at least the test around the 132. But for now 95 is still holding. Is mean we still have a buyer holding the price over the 95 psychological level that we broke from 3 days ago. So as long as we hold here and we at least trying to consolidate until we have major news, we might have the test and the squeeze around the 132 before the end of this month or the beginning this year would be really great for Beyond Meat.